Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Yep.so. So this is an AI-powered landing page builder. You do not have to use any code or write any content or come up with any images for that landing page. All of these tasks are going to be done by Yep.so. Since it has AI, all you have to do is describe what type of landing page you want and the AI is going to do the rest. And the great news is this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $349, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $49. There are already 3 reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features of this tool. So here are all of the plans. There is AI copywriting, there is going to be content blogs, contact form, payment link integration, A/B testing, instant feedback surveys, custom JavaScript for advanced tracking, analytics, and so on. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $49. It lets you add 2 custom domains. You can create 10 landing pages. And the submission limit, the email submission limit is going to be $250 for this tier. There is also tier 2, tier 3, and the highest tier is tier 4 that lets you create unlimited custom domains, landing pages, and you can get unlimited email submissions. So if you want to buy Yep.so on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard. So first I have to choose a username. Click on save. So here is the dashboard and now I can start creating the landing page. So let's create one. So let's provide a name and also our target audience. For example, the name is going to be Fitness Challenge Tracker and the target audience is fitness enthusiast. So now click on start. So on the background, our landing page has been created, but it does not have any content. In order to write that, you can take help of the AI. So you have to click on this and here is our product name, the target audience. Now I have to describe the product in details. So here is the description for the landing page that I want. Now let's click on create content. So that was fast. It took around 10 seconds to add the content. And now if I show you the whole landing page, as you can see, one image has been even added. And this image was generated by AI. So here is our full landing page. And as you can see, all of the important sections such as these testimonials, the FAQ section, all of these are added. And you can even add more. For example, you also want to add the pricing. Click on this. And as you can see, the pricing has been added. Now you can modify it. You can modify this text, this upper text. You can also delete this blog if you want. You can add another pricing. And all of the text that you see, all of them are customizable. When someone visits your landing page and they want to access this pricing, they want to pay. So if they click on this button, they are going to be redirected to this URL. So all you have to do is click on this and now you can provide the URL on this box. If someone wants to pay, he will click on this and he will get redirected to this URL, the one that you provide here. And if I go even further down, there is even a box to collect the emails of visitors. You can also change this text or this text. And if I scroll down, there is another section. This is the description about the founder. So you can add photo. You can also change this text. And here are all of the social links. So if you want to add the links for your socials, for example, you want to add your Facebook account. So click on this. All you have to do is just paste the URL. Now let's go back to the top. So everything that you see on this landing page is customizable. For example, I want to change this image. So click on this. And from this left side, you can now add emoji or you can add a Vimeo video. You can also clear this image and upload another. So you can upload from your computer or you can also upload one from Unsplash. So I want some images about fitness. All I have to do is give my search term on here. And as you can see, these are now appearing. So let's add this image and just see how easy it is. The image has already been added. And if I scroll down, as you can see, there is another section called how it works. So the AI has written a content about how this fitness challenge is going to work. And it has even added some images. These are generated by AI. So just like the image before, you can also edit this image, change them, upload another, or import something else from Unsplash. And for example, on this section, you want to add another feature. So all you have to do is click on this. And as you can see, just like these features, the ones above, you also get another section. So you can add another image. You can also provide the feature name and the description. Then there is this testimonial section. So you can add testimonials. Now let's go back to the top. And on this left side, there are some other settings, such as you can change the alignment for your text. So it is aligned to middle, but you can also align it to left side. You can also enable or disable hero images. And you can also enable full width for images if you want, which means images are going to appear in their original resolution. So let's disable this one. There are also some tips for headline formatting, how to write compelling titles and subtitles. So you can also check out this if you want. Now there are a lot of key settings for this landing page. In order to access that, click on this. And now on the left side, you can access them, those important settings. So you can change the page name, the primary color, also the background color. You can change the page slug or the vanity URL. You can also switch to Yep v2 page design, enable or disable it. You can also upload the logo of your brand or your company. There are some other settings such as this menu bar button. You can also add your own custom domains. Then there are some other settings as you can see. So you can change the page color layout, upload custom social image, and you can also change the form type. So if someone clicks on the CTA of your landing page, if you want to capture them using email, you can use this option. You can also redirect them to a certain URL. You can also add your Gumroad account. So all you have to do is give your Gumroad page URL, and once they click on the CTA, they are going to be redirected to that URL. There are also some other options such as the secondary CTA button. You can enable it. You can add a contact form. So all you have to do is enable it. And now if you scroll down, as you can see, the contact form has been added. You can also add GDPR text, enable or disable post sign up pop-up. There are a lot of settings. You can add survey, and you can also enable this conversation starter, which means if someone signs up on your page, if you want to send them an email, you can do that. So all you have to do is provide the email for replies, the sender name, the subject, and the email content. Then you can save this conversation starter. So this way, one email will be sent to each person that signs up on your page. You can also enable these donations. So if you want donations on your landing page, you can set it up. All you have to do is connect your payment method. You have to connect your Stripe account. You can also add footer links, duplicate this page, add custom CSS or custom JavaScript tracking code or Calendly embed. And obviously you can also delete your landing page permanently. Now let's close this. And if you click on publish, you can publish your landing page. You can also view your page, the draft of your page. There are some page settings that you can change. So these are the settings that I already showed you. And a great feature on here is the page analytics. So let's click on this. On this section, you can see real-time statistics about your landing page. So the amount of views, clicks, conversion percentage, all of these details are going to be shown on here. Overall, I think Yep.so is an excellent tool that lets you create a landing page. You do not have to write any code or add any content, add any image. All of these things are going to be done by the AI of Yep. You can also see real-time analytics. There are a lot of page settings that you can change, and customizing each section of the landing page is super easy. All you have to do is just click on the particular part that you want to customize. So if you're looking to build landing pages, I think Yep.so is going to be super useful. And if you want to buy it from Appsumo on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this deal, you're going to get all of these features. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also license tier 3. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.